What is that again?
Jelly straws.
Jelly straws, mango flavor. So this
There's
is
more.
Jello.
There's more.
I'll show it. What's the flavor?
That's the last mango that we have.
Mm.
It's like a
It's just like
low-calorie
Jelly
sweet.
Ace.
Low calorie sweet.
La, this is so it's so yummy. But it's not taste like a mango. It tastes like
I mean, it's a strawberry.
it tastes like lemon. It tastes like orange.
It's a strawberry.
What else? Can I
I said every flavor for you.
Can I try the what is that? Let me see.
This is
Strawberry and orange.
It's strawberry.
And this one is, what is this?
That is apple.
Did you try the strawberry na?
Yeah, I already tried all of them.
Okay.
And I
So
said-
I will take this na.
I got strawberry too.
Mm.
You can
Tastes
taste
like
it.
light cheese. Another strawberry. Mm. A little bit sour, this one.
Orange.
How much is this, Kyla?
There's like $4. Use the more this.
$4? $4? All of that? How many
$5.
pieces?
Lot. 15. I already ate most of it. I ate most of it.
50 pieces?
15.
15?
Because they're hard to make.
So,
That
$15.
is one-
$15? How much is it?
$15.
What is that again?
This is pineapple.
Pineapple. Did you try it
I already
already?
tried them. Yeah, I already tried all of it. We're still waiting on that. What's that?
I like this orange.
What is trash? I forgot what the-
And this is pineapple.
And then this is apple.
I feel disappointed on the mango. It's not taste mango. This one. But the orange is real. The strawberry, okay.
What about pineapple? You like it? You like the pineapple?
This is not taste like pineapple.
And then
This is just like...
the last flavor.
So how many flavor all?
So there's strawberry, orange, mango.
This is...
Pineapple,
This is...
and then-
I thought it's coconut. Why they don't have coconut?
No coconut. I would be happy.
This
with
is apple green.
apple. Does it taste? Do you like it?
Yeah. Worth it. $15. So how much I owe?
No, you don't owe it. It's that big for it.
Also, it's money. My money.
Yeah, not yours.
Thanks for sharing, Kyla. Every time new candies or new food, Kyla is very good. Choosing different items. Thank you.